Hi everyone, so this is the code 143. If you can see, I had to cut my nails and I took the polish off of this one because, let me show you guys, it actually broke. The nail itself broke. So there's that slit right there. So because of that, I bought the Sally Hansen Instafix nail repair kit. Okay. So when you get this, it comes in the package, and then it comes with the glue on one side right there, the glue, and then the powder on the other side. So we're going to see how this works because it's actually, the cut is pretty deep in there. So I can't cut the nail because even if I cut the nail, it's still not going to get the cut of where the nail broke. So we're going to try and use this, and we'll see how it works, and I'll let you guys know in a week. Okay? So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew the top of the glue part right here. And I'm just going to brush it on my nail like I would regular nail polish. Okay? Now once I've done that, I'm going to unscrew the powder right here, and I'm going to dust some of that powder on my nail. Cover the top and tap it out. Now after this, it's already dry, so what I'm going to do is actually just put nail polish on it as I would my regular nails. And so the design that I have on my nails right now is this marble-esque design that I followed from Claire de Lys Arts, not Claire de Lys Arts, but Anna's Beauty Secrets. So first off, we're going to start with our base coat, which is Pure Ice. In First Love. I got this at Walmart for $1.99. Okay, so we'll start with our base coat. And I only put one coat of the base on it, only because we want a little bit of a sheer color. Okay. So there you go. That's the first step. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Velocity in Magenta Blitz. This is from Mary Kay actually, and it's like a hot pink. And I'm going to open it, and basically what I'm going to do is make a side French from this corner right here to this bottom corner, but not completely covering the nail. Okay? Alright. So this is what we have so far. So really, really cute. So if you want to stay at that, actually you can. Next, I have to find my white. There it is. My pearl white. This is a thin tip brush polish from Nail Art, and it's called Pearl White. Right there. Okay, so Pearl White, and I'm going to alternate between white and red. So I'm going to leave some of the pink, and then I'm going to do a white line like that, and make it a little bit thicker. A white line right there. Okay, and then a red line underneath the white. Okay. It's not very obvious when you look at it. Like when you start doing it, it's not that obvious, the difference between the red and the pink, but it will show out, I promise. And one more white line underneath the red. Like so. Let me get some of that off. So this is what you have. Okay, so it's the pink base with the pink polish of the French, and then the white, the red, and then the white over, and there's a little bit of pink at the bottom of it. Okay? Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take any kind of stick that you have. You can use a toothpick, or you can use a dotting tool, or like a thin brush, or even a thumbtack, whatever you have. It does not matter as long as you have this tip, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to drag all the colors together. I don't know if I can show you that way, but I'll try. Drag the polishes together here. I'll just I'll do one and then I'll show it to you. So there's the first one. Okay? And then you're just going to drag them. I drag them so that they all meet up in the middle, but you can do whatever way you like. It's up to you. This is your own design. But yeah. So that's what mine looks like. Right there. Okay. And then after I do that, I usually put like a silver line because I'm not very good at making straight lines when I do like a French tip or anything like that. So I'm going to take a stripe right here in silver, and this is a thin tip brush. I'm going to shake it up a little bit and unscrew the top and just line the edge of that with silver. Like so. And there you go. Can you see that? There we go. And there's the design. And then what I like to do is take a glittery top coat. This is actually Northern Lights hologram top coat in silver, out the door. There you go. And this is a quick drying top coat. It dries in about 45 seconds, so locks in your design, and it looks really good on top of the rest of the polish. So yeah. And I'm actually going to also top the rest of my fingers because I was told that the way to keep your the polish on your nails intact is to reapply your top coat every couple of days. and it's actually been like